In this video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the XEA177 register. It's a fairly straightforward procedure, but it will wipe all the sales data and all the programming data, so the machine will be reset back to out the box factory default, so only perform if you're happy with this scenario. The first thing to do is to disconnect the machine from the power, and then lift up the printer cover and locate the memory protection batteries. You need to now remove the batteries. The batteries don't provide any power to the machine, but they act as memory backup for the sales and programming data. When they're removed and the machine switched off and back on again, it automatically forces the machine to do a factory reset. So when we reconnect the machine back to the mains, the machine performs the master reset and you can now start reprogramming the machine. For more information on the Sharp cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.